just had a clean up of my ghost pepper. Very late season, they're never going to actually ripen, so I thought I'll just crack them all open using Concept Baku. It's sparrow knife design, Greg Shop. What I'm going to do with these, just dry them out. I reckon they should still have a fair bit of heat. There's a lot of oil in them. And something a bit different. Normally I let my pods go red, but I reckon nicely dried out, these should be good to keep me going for a while. Got a few there. You can actually see the oil just dripping off the blade. This plant had probably through the season maybe 100 pods on it, something like that anyway. A couple of little ones, but I just stripped them off. I'm going to prune it back. It was the second year of the plant. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. I'll split them open so they dry quicker. Don't even know how many I pulled off just now, but there's a few there. Very pungent smell. It's been an interesting season. It was quite late to start, and then plants that I thought were going to stop just carried on going. But this one, it's way too late now in the season. These are never going to go red, so we'll just see what they do. Don't know if anyone was counting. I actually had 2 that I cut before I thought to whip the camera out, so maybe try to comment up, see if you can see how many I counted. This is almost a perfect knife for doing this. It's nice and thin blade. Got to be a little bit careful because it is so sharp. I'm just only touching it. Could do without losing a thumb or something. Nearly there. And these will just sit up on the windowsill. It's still quite warm during the day. If I notice they're taking a bit of time, I might put them in the dehydrator or slowly in the oven just to finish them off. Yeah, last one. Maybe I'll try a bit. Try this one here just to see what it's like. Kind of more earthy vegetable. There's actually plenty of heat there still. Yeah, I think they'll dry up quite nicely. They'll be useful for something.